Hey guys, welcome. We're at Southern Manufacturing. We're here with the team. The team are, I don't even know where at the moment, but we're going to go around and go and see some of the machining bits and pieces and see some of the electronics, etc. as well. So see you in there. Right guys, we're just literally looking at different machine tools, different bits and pieces to kind of try and determine what really might help us with our manufacturing bits and pieces. So literally just back there we were looking at some of the used CNC machines, and now we'll come round to like robot arms and that kind of thing. Right guys, well we've actually been in Southern Manufacturing a few hours now. We've seen some robotic arms, we've seen some amazing CNC machines, etc. We're going to head over and go and see some hand tool bits and pieces and hopefully try and bring some ideas back to our own manufacturing. So guys, we've finished at the show. We've seen loads and loads of machine tool manufacturers and other bits and pieces for tool assembly. And hopefully we're going to take all these ideas, come back to our manufacturing environment and really improve what we're doing. Thanks.